Hey guys, hope you are doing very well today. Wishing you an amazing Sunday. And the crypto market is so the crypto can never sleep, and we have lots of great news how this industry is developing. I'm Miklos Denkler from CorionX and bringing you the most important crypto news every day to keep you updated and educated about the major happenings in crypto. So let's share my screen and let's check our favorite bubble chart to see how the market is doing today. So as you can see, few altcoins are pumping well, and most of them are correcting a little bit. As you see, one Harmony protocol up 10%, Tacoin up 10%, ADA is setting up new all-time highs, 5%. Helium, our favorite Helium coin, HNT, is up 7%. Avalanche is correcting, but it went up a lot. Near protocol up 10%, Filecoin 5%. So good to see. Also, Phantom is pumping well. And if you are rolling down here, then you can see that crypto had amazing profits in the last 1 week and last 1 month. So just scroll down, and it's good to look for tokens that haven't pumped yet too much, like Uniswap and other projects like Stellar. And I think we will see so many other projects that will pumping, like Solana did in the last week, just shooting up, setting up new all-time highs, and then going into uncharted territory. So let's check our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. And guys, so it is 76, and it is in the extreme greed territory. So now the market is really greedy. And as you see, last month, the lowest point, the lowest level was at 10. And as you know, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index spent almost the last 3 months in the extreme fear, around 20. And as you know, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried, and that could be a good buying opportunity in this region. But when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So after a small period of consolidation around this neutral zone, then the index went up to 70 to greed, and now we are at 78 and 76. But does it mean that the correction is due, or we might see higher levels in this greed zone? So let's go to our first news. Let's check this. This market trend shows the Bitcoin price is ready for the next leg up. The cryptocurrency exchange balance indicates that the Bitcoin price is primed for extreme strength in the coming weeks. As we see, Bitcoin just sideways around the 200-day moving average. Now Bitcoin is above the 200-day moving average, and also within few days or a few weeks we can see a golden cross when the 50-day moving average will cross the 200-day moving average. And as you see this chart, this is the balance inflows and outflows from exchanges, the net positions of inflows and outflows. And this is the Bitcoin price back to 2012. And you see these huge inflows when Bitcoins were sent to exchanges for people wanted to sell. And now you see these huge spikes, and that was this almost 111,000 Bitcoin was withdrawn from exchanges in the last 30 days. So this is one of an all-time high. So just few times we've seen this huge outflow from exchanges, and that means if less and less Bitcoins are available on exchanges, then according to supply and demand. The supply is less and less, and if the demand is coming and the demand is higher than the supply, as people don't want to sell their bitcoins, then the price is moving up. Okay, our headline news today: the stock-to-flow creator envisions a second leg of this Bitcoin bull market. On-chain data shows BTC accumulation, and just see these bulls are fighting. The price of Bitcoin jumped above 49,000 US dollar zone, jumping 6.6 during the last 24 hours. 30-day statistics shows the value of Bitcoin has swelled by 50% over the last month, and many believe the bull run is not over. 3 days ago, the popular stock-to-flow creator Plan B shared a stock-to-flow chart that indicates a possible second leg of this bull market. Okay, so this is the chart, and this indicates the second leg, and this as this would be the initial target of this bull market, then the second leg can come here, as it also came during this cycle in 2013, and here, from here to there, that was a 10 times increase in price. So Bitcoin went up from 100 US dollar to 1,000 US dollar. Just imagine if the Bitcoin would go up from this 50,000 levels to maybe higher. Okay, so the stock-to-flow creator Plan B, and how we explained confident in his previous forecast. Plan B stressed at that time that the bull is not over, and 64,000 was not the top. Okay, both Bitcoin stock-to-flow white line and on-chain signal color not red yet, still indicating the second leg of this bull market. Plan B wrote, following this statement, Plan B was asked, are we shooting to 288,000 US dollar again, or still 100,000? I'm confused. In my opinion, we are going up first to 100,000 US dollar, then 288,000 US dollar. And you see also this is the white line, the stock-to-flow model, and these color dots that on-chain signals not red yet. So it will be red when we see the price topping out. On-chain data shows Bitcoin accumulation, and this is on-chain data addresses with or higher than 1 Bitcoin, and you see that these number of these addresses are increasing, and increasing in the past few months. Okay, it shows addresses first taking profits and then potentially some of the panic selling into the crash. Okay, that we've seen. This trend has taken a quick turn in the opposite direction, as the number of addresses holding 1 or more Bitcoin is back about 800,000, pointing to renewed interest and accumulation of holders to reach a full Bitcoin. Yeah, so this should be also your goal, to reach 1 full Bitcoin. But also you can try altcoins, you can also farm, you can stake, and you can accumulate, and also just buy cheap and sell high. Okay, a similar pattern can be observed in the volume held by addresses with over 1,000 Bitcoins. So also we are doing the same. Yeah, so that's huge news. So we should follow also all these on-chain metrics and number of wallets and also transactions. Our next piece of news: Ethereum could reach 14,000 US dollar, and Dogecoin $1 US dollar crypto CEO predicts. Okay, the CEO from Goldstein Media, David Goldstein, revealed his numbers: Dogecoin hitting $1 US dollar in this bull cycle, and Ethereum getting to 14,000 US dollar. Okay, what else do we have? Also, details from Robinhood showing that crypto trading and also especially Dogecoin and other coins are just surging. Also, there was a survey by Funder that Dogecoin could surpass $1 mark by 2025 and also go higher, 3.6 by 2013, but 2013 is so far. Okay, Ethereum could reach 14,000, yes, because AIP 1559, Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum as a type of digital silver, while Bitcoin is a digital gold. Okay, and also he predicted 85,000 by the end of this year for Bitcoin. Okay, so good to have these price predictions, but nothing special analysis behind that. Our next piece of news, Cardano ADA hits new all-time high as Charles Hoskinson fights off critics. Okay, Cardano native token ADA has hit a new all-time high just a week after overtaking Tether as the industry's first largest cryptocurrency. And okay, the price went about 2.55 US dollar, and also the current market value is near to 80 million. And Alonso hard fork will come. Alonso is the testnet of the ADA, and there will be the launch in the mainnet in September. And as we expect more and more Cardano hype coming out, but I'm more convinced to buy some Cardano ecosystem coins like Charlie Free and Gary Wallet and Carstack and Open Finance, and also just waiting for launching the Sunday swap, the DEX on Cardano. So I'm more bullish on this Cardano ecosystem coins than on Cardano. Okay, but let's check Cardano's market cap here. So you see that it's 83 billion US dollars. So nice. Okay, so our next piece of news, that institutions, big investment firms are here to stay, and they are all entering in crypto. BlackRock ETFs hold 384 million US dollar of shares in Bitcoin mining firms. So that was a SEC filing that revealed that BlackRock invested almost 400 million US dollar into blockchain and Marathon Digital Holding stock. And that is why it's so interesting, because the CEO of BlackRock always bashing Bitcoin, always giving some price predictions that Bitcoin will go to 20,000 and Bitcoin will go to 50,000 and yada, yada. But now it turned out that they are investing heavily in Bitcoin mining firms. So they believe that if some countries and some companies will possess Bitcoin mining, that will be huge and the long-term healthy economic impact on the global economy as well. And BlackRock, was really aware of this energy governance and social EGS stuff, and then they blame Bitcoin that it's not so energy efficient, not efficient with renewable energy, but now turned out they are investing heavily in Bitcoin mining. And also the next piece of news, banks loving Bitcoin and crypto. And not crypto need banks anymore, but banks need Bitcoin and crypto. Because this is the new technology and financial, that also technology for financial rails and systems, and also the best investment asset in the past 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, and clients want to invest in these crypto assets. And Wells Fargo and JP Morgan both filed for passive Bitcoin funds. And it's really funny because Wells Fargo was the bank who was financing the gold miners in the gold rush. And also, you know, Levi Strauss just started to produce the Levi Levi pants and this all this Levi clothing, and Wells Fargo financed the gold miners to buy mining equipment and all that stuff, and now they are launching Bitcoin funds to their clients. So this is how the modern mining looks like, and also Wells Fargo in it. And you should be aware that Warren Buffett is one of the biggest investors in Wells Fargo, and actually Warren Buffett doesn't like Bitcoin. He said that Bitcoin is a rat poison, if I'm right, or something like that, or a pyramid scheme, or some other things. And these banks will introduce these Bitcoin funds, these passive funds, to their wealthy clients. So not the average Joes, so not to retail clients, but to wealthy clients. But I'm sure retail clients will follow, especially as Bitcoin ETFs will be approved. Our next piece of news is crypto asset manager Grayscale now has 10 billion US dollar worth of Ethereum under its management. So there was a report and an update, and they have more than 3 million Ethereum with a total value of 10 billion US dollar, according to the latest published, and also all the overall value of its cryptocurrency and assets under management reached 41.4 billion on August 13th. So that's huge, guys. 41.4 billion that Grayscale is managing, and most of these institutions and funds are buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos through Grayscale Trust. Congratulations to Grayscale. 23 and counting. So 23 ETFs, Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, have been submitted to the SEC for approval, and also OneX and ProShares filed for ETH futures ETFs. And you know, it is not unreasonable to think a Bitcoin futures ETF could be approved before the end of the year. So there was a news few days ago that Gary Gensler, the chairman of the SEC, said that he prefers the future-backed ETFs, so not backed with real Bitcoins, but with futures. So it's kind of paper ETFs. I don't think that would be the best. And also, if I'm thinking about investor protection and other things. But now, as he said this, that OneX and other banks and financial companies are submitting not just asset-backed ETFs, but also future-backed ETFs. Our next piece of news is also there was a news 2 days ago in our video that Coinbase investing 500 million US dollar in diverse portfolio of Bitcoin and crypto assets. And also you should know that Coinbase stated that he has 4 billion US dollar just put by side and waiting for a crypto winter when the price will going up, when everybody is freaking out, when depression will come on the market and the price will go down, and they are ready to buying up cryptos with this 4 billion funds. And also they stated that they will investing 10% of all profit going forward in crypto. So not just this 4 billion, but also additional 10%, and now they investing 500 million in crypto. And we know that the CEO, Brian Armstrong, really likes Ethereum and also DeFi. So these investments will not just going poured in Bitcoin, but also in Ethereum and DeFi. The next piece of news, Bloomberg, one of the biggest financial media and firm, Bloomberg and Galaxy Digital launch DeFi Index, expand crypto offerings. So they will launch this fund together. Galaxy Digital is Mike Novogratz. The funds, Mike Novogratz is a former investment banker for Goldman Sachs, and they launched this decentralized index fund. And I read in another article that they will buying Uniswap, Maker, SushiSwap, Link, yeah, and here we go, Aave, Compound, Yearn Finance, Synthetic, Sushi, 0x Protocol, and UMA. So that's huge. I leave it open. So nice DeFi fund. The next piece of news, it's a really important news. Ethereum scaling solution, Polygon, launches a DAO to unite DeFi platform. So Polygon will tap into 100 million DeFi fund to promote interoperability and adoption, and airdrop a new governance token to users. So that, guys, this is the main, an airdrop a new governance token to users. Polygon, okay. The firm has tapped DeFi partners like Aave, Chainlink, and SushiSwap to help fund the decentralized organization to govern initiative. So as you know, Polygon is an Ethereum layer 2 solution and also serving decentralized finance and really fast and cheap transactions. You can try QuickSwap, and also you can try QuickSwap exchange, and also the Matic network wallet, and then the other Matic related things. But first try QuickSwap. And this DAO will help to make that happen. A DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization which spread governance responsibilities across a distributed network rather than in the hands of centralized authority. DAO token holder vote and governance proposal. Okay. The project aims to pump money into DAO to further aims. Okay. It will push the DeFi industry forward. The project plans to airdrop new DAO governance tokens to existing Polygon users as the organization formalizes and takes shape. So what does that mean? I think that means at least you should hold Matic, and you should use like QuickSwap and other Polygon ecosystem projects, do some trading on QuickSwap, and also provide some liquidity in different Polygon projects. So that will be huge, and also it will support, and it also add other networks and making them interoperability. Hope we will see Solana, DOT, and ADA also, and Avalanche in this initiative. So that's a huge news. Be prepared for this airdrop. Our next piece of news, top NBA pick paid in Bitcoin for BlockFi sponsorship deal. Former Oklahoma State star Cade Cunningham multi-year deal with the crypto lender include a Bitcoin signing bonus. So Cade Cunningham will promote BlockFi, when you can there is a crypto saving that you can earn up to 5-8% APR after depositing your crypto, and also there is a credit card that you can earn Bitcoin rewards, Bitcoin cashbacks, and then I think that's huge, and the bonus will be paid in Bitcoin to Cade Cunningham. So I think all these celebrities, all these athletes, all these famous people that have millions of followers will do some kind of this. Also, there was a news last week that Lionel Messi will be paid in crypto. Okay, our next piece of news is, you will like it, especially if you live in Missouri. Missouri Major suggests giving residents up to $1,000 in Bitcoin. So the hinted Cool Valley residents could be required to hold the funds for 5 years. So what does that mean? They would give to all residents 1,000 in Bitcoin, and the residents are forced to hodl it, so they cannot spend it in the next 5 years. But after 5 years, they can do whatever they want. If Bitcoin price went up 100 times, that they will have 100,000 US dollar worth of crypto, and hopefully they will not sell that time. I feel that fundamentally this is the best way to meet everyone's basic needs, to get Bitcoin into the hands of people who can use it in the most. I don't know from which funds they would finance this, but as I read in another article, that also the municipality and also some Bitcoin investors would add to this fund. So I think that's huge, and then that would be nice if you are a major somewhere, or you have some position in some city. Then also you should definitely consider this, because this is how people will really like you after 5 years, and even as they are seeing that their holdings value is going up. But also there will be some tough time, then the price is decreasing. But okay, so guys, please smash the like and push the bell notification, or you should definitely push this content to other who might be interested. So our next piece of news: Bitcoin partnership unlocks BTC and Ethereum payments for 85,000 merchants. So that's huge. And Bitcoin Swiss is partnering with the European payment firm Worldline to unlock instant Bitcoin and Ethereum ATH payments for 85,000 merchants in Switzerland. So that will be this crypto payment, and Bitcoin Swiss is one of the company of my friend Nicholas. And let's check Nicholas here. Okay. So I'm now signed out, so I cannot see him. But Nicholas Nicolaisen is a great guy. He's a friend of mine. He's living in Zug, and Bitcoin Swiss is based also in Zug, the same city where Korean Foundation is based. And also we sometimes we're discussing some partnerships, and also he supported CorionX before the launch. This is a historic milestone for crypto adoption in Switzerland and beyond. This step proves once again that in a leader, collaborative in innovation, and a pioneer in the crypto and blockchain industry. So that's huge, guys. Okay, so what else? Let's check our Telegram. You find our Telegram link in the description, so definitely you should join. We have our news here. We are posting this crypto content every day. And also now we are up and running farms on Ethereum and on Binance Smart Chain, and you can earn rewards up to 3,000. Sorry, not 3,000, but how much? 330% APR. So that's huge. Let's check this. So the APR here is 3,300, and also the best way to earn this reward to lock up liquidity in CorionX ETH pair on Uniswap or on PancakeSwap, CorionX BNB, and then you can earn this huge APR. So that's you should definitely check out. So let's go back to news. So congrats, Nicholas. Next piece of news. All Binance users are now subject to immediate KYC verification. So all new users should do KYC. They cannot trade, they cannot deposit, they cannot do anything without KYC. And Binance strongly advises users to complete their intermediate verification promptly to avoid delays in the verification process. And also, I read somewhere that existing users should do this KYC until the mid of October, and if not, then they will not able to use their accounts. And this is the part of that Binance was tagged by regulators and by different countries that they don't have proper KYC, AML, and that is why doing this. But I think this will open more regulatory and compliance things that they can go to mainstream users, but in the same time it will have the decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, and other DEXs that there are many people that they don't want to do KYC. And as you see, Binance hires ex-US Treasury investigator to head AML operations. So Binance really wants to push this compliance AML things, and they want work. They want provide services in all countries, and that is why one of the main countries is US. This is why they hired this ex-US Treasury investigator to help them manage this KYC AML stuff. The next piece of news is Binance Smart Chain is now live on Ledger. So that's a huge news. Ledger Nano is one of the most secure way to store your crypto. And now you can store your BNB, you can store your BEP20 tokens. So all your tokens that it's running on the Binance Smart Chain. So that's huge. Until now, also you would be able to use it through MetaMask, but now you can store directly on Ledger Nano X. So you should definitely try out. I will leave a link where you can buy directly Ledger Nano from the company Ledger, because you should be careful that other scam links going around. So definitely you should use the proper good one, and also you are supporting the channel as we are affiliate in Ledger. So the next piece of news, serious on crypto. President of Brazil's central bank has a meeting with Brian Brooks and Jeremy Allaire. So Brian Brooks is from Coinbase. He worked formerly at Binance, but now on Coinbase. And also Jeremy Allaire is founder of Circle and the USDC stable coins. And this meeting was behind closed doors, so we don't know too much what they discussed. But I think definitely Brazil will do something also maybe with the central bank digital currency, its own national crypto, or adopting Bitcoin. So they are preparing for some good things. And also you should know that Brazil launched several ETFs yet. So Brazil is a good place where crypto is being adapted. So our next piece of news, our latest news of today, that 82% of Dogecoin worth $28 billion is on chain by 335 entities. So yeah, I understand the hype behind Dogecoin. I understand how Elon Musk is shilling Dogecoin, but guys, you should definitely be careful, because just 500 entities possessing the 82% of something, and if they will sell off or dumping their coin, that can be hard. But I'm sure that they will not dump. I'm not sure, but I suppose that they will not dump below $1. But you know that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial advice. Nothing is an investment advice. Everything just for educational and entertainment purposes. Okay, so cryptocurrency spent the week in spotlight. Okay, On-chain analysis, Dogecoin shows it's currently being adopted by new investors at a level not seen since the late 2017 bull market, with new investors increasing their share of supply from 8% to 25% in August. However, Doge ownership is very concentrated, with 106 billion Doge, 82% of supply held by 335 entities that hold more than 10 million Doge each, or 0.0 entities. Okay, so this is the Doge price has increased in the three main phases, and you see this increases from just 0.1 cents, just went up to 0.5 cents. Okay, new investors increased their share of the Doge supply from 9% to 25% July 23, while 2+ years investors have sold. Okay, so new investors are increasing, 2+ years investors are selling. Total 4 million entities hold the 130 billion Doge supply with 106 billion Doge. So you see the number of entities holding the most of the coins, and this is not a healthy ownership structure. 37 billion Doge is held by 31 investors that have had for 6 months to 2 years. Okay, active users are increasing again. So you should, if you are in Dogecoin, you should definitely check out this from chain analysis. So let's take a look at what's happening on the crypto market. But first, you should definitely join our Telegram channel. And also, as mentioned, just come to farmcorion.io or appcorion.io, and you can start adding liquidity and earning 300% farming rewards. So let's check the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is now in this rising wedge, and Bitcoin corrected last week with a small bull flag. This bull flag worked out perfectly, and now we are Bitcoin also broke this 38,000, 37, 38,000. There was a resistance zone, and now aligning up here, consolidating about this price target of this bull flag, and we will see some move even to visit the lower trend line of this channel at 47,400, or starting to break 50,000. So today is a weekend day, so not too much happening, but this break up happened on Friday, so that's a good sign that the break up happened on Friday, not during the weekend. Let's check the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is also side waving after falling down from 47 to 44. Now consolidating a little bit, but it signals a nice altcoin season, and you should definitely check out a video that we made. So okay, thanks, Parker. Good to have you here. So guys, we appreciate all your comments, and you are helping the channel, and also other people will find the channel. So please smash the like and write something in the comment. So Bitcoin dominance is side waving, and you should definitely check out the video from 2 days ago. I talked about upcoming altcoin season. So you should definitely check out this Where's Are Hungry and also altcoin season video. When I talked about this altcoin season, then this altcoin index was at 6 and now went up to how much? 45, or yeah, back 28. So as you see, the altcoin index shot it up, and this is a good sign. We are now getting closer to go into altcoin season, but definitely check out these videos, Where's Are Hungry and altcoin season. And also, I highly suggest you to check out all the videos about Ethereum. Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin, and Ethereum to 14,000, Ethereum flips Bitcoin, Ethereum to rally, because these are all important videos about Ethereum. And you should also definitely check out a video from Helium Mining, how to get Helium Miner for free, and then you can earn you can get shared revenue from iHub. And also you should definitely check out the staking video. Where is the staking video? I don't find it. Yeah, where is the staking video? Okay. I don't find the staking video, but I will make definitely one. So guys, please just subscribe, push the bell notification on, and smash the like. Appreciate your support. So let's check Ethereum. Ethereum is also holding, yeah, it's now a little bit down. So it's really struggling here at 3,300 levels now, just going down. But as these 3,300 will be broken, then we might see 3,600 very soon, and also new all-time high. That was a news 2 days ago. Checked out the video that I talked about, that Ethereum can reach the new all-time high earlier than Bitcoin. So that's huge news. And also you should definitely check out other coins, like Solana did a really nice run-up, just went up as broke out here, went up, shoot it up, and now it's trading about 74. But you should find other cool projects like Matic or Kusama, or let's see, DOT. They are having the similar market structure, but haven't started their pump. So I would definitely check out all these coins and buying those coins that are not pumped yet. So you can check also Uniswap is doing almost this. So I think as all these coins will pump and reach new all-time highs, few of them reached already, like Luna and Solana, but definitely check out also WeChain is a good one, good example. So guys, this is for today. Please smash the like, push the bell, write something in the comment. Loving reading your comments, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.